Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 Season 2 crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to run GPU on favor efficiency through the AMD Adrenal software. So if your PC runs on AMD graphic card driver, then you must have the AMD Adrenal software. So open the AMD Adrenal software, then go to the performance, tuning, GPU, tuning control, and then run the GPU in favor efficiency. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. This fix is only for the AMD graphic card driver user. So you can try this as this has helped the many players to fix the problem. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6, select properties, and in the launch options type -dx11, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3, enable DX12 via game settings file. So go to the documents Battlefield 6 settings and then open the prof save underscore profile file via notepad. So open File Explorer. On the left click on documents, then open the Battlefield 6 folder, then open settings folder, open Steam folder, and here you will see prof save underscore profile file. Right click on it and then open with notepad. Now after opening the file, look for gstrender.dx12 enabled 0 line. Look for it, here it is. 0 means dx12 is disabled. So if you are seeing 0, it means dx12 is disabled. Just delete 0 and type 1 over here and then click on this file and then click on save. After saving it, close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to uninstall and reinstall EA anti-cheat. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6, go to manage and then click on browse local files. Now it will open the game installation folder. Open the EA anti-cheat folder and here you will see EA anti-cheat.installer. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now you will see this type of interface. From the drop down here, select. For Battlefield 6, you have to select Battlefield Labs and then click on uninstall all. And once you see uninstall success, then click on install button. And then you will see install success option. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not solved, then again run the EA anti-cheat.installer as an administrator. Click yes to allow and then select Battlefield Labs and then click on uninstall all. Now don't install the EA anti-cheat from here. Just close it and then click on play button over here in this Steam. It will reinstall the EA anti-cheat and then the problem will get fixed. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to update your graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then you can check. Now after following all these 5 fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then you can watch my this another video. It has more solutions that you can try to fix the problem. Link is provided in my video description and in the comment. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Battlefield 6 Season 2 crashes startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.